Hello everyone, my name is Sangam Chimnajimadne. Today we discuss about topic is the muscular system. Muscular system is a complex network of muscular in the body that plays a critical role in movement to the stability, posture and the function of vital organs. It works in close coordination system, particularly the skeletal system, to the nervous system and cardiovascular system. Here detailed look at the muscular system. To the first point, type of muscular tissue. To the there are three primary types of muscular tissue, each with distinct characteristic and function. To the first, skeletal muscle structure. To the skeletal muscle structure are composed of long cylindrical fibers that are stripped due to the arrangement and actin and myosin filaments. These muscles are and have voluntary control. To the function, skeletal muscles are responsible for voluntary movement to like walking, running, lifting and facial expression. They are attached to the bones, to the tendon and work. To the antagonist muscle to the proceed movement at joints. To the controlled constantly by the central nervous system. To the via somatic motor nervous. To B, smooth muscle structure. Smooth muscle cells are spindle shaped, non-striated and have a single central nucleus. They are much smaller than skeletal muscle fibers. To the function, smooth muscle control involuntary movement such as the movement of food. To the constriction of blood vessels and regulation of airflow in the lungs. They are found in the walls of hollow organs such as the stomach, intestine, blood vessels and bladder. To the control, smooth muscular control involuntary by to the autonomic nervous system. To the cardiac muscle. To the cardiac muscle structure for cardiac muscle fibers are like to be the skeletal muscle but are shorter branched and have a single nucleus. They are incorporated by specialized structure called the inculated disc, which facilitate rapid communication and contraction to the between cells. To the function, cardiac muscle makes up the heart and is responsible for pumping blood throughout the body. It has construction that are involuntary, meaning they occur without conscious control. The control by to the like smooth muscle, cardiac muscle is controlled involuntary by the autonomic. To the nervous system and specialized pacemaker cells within the heart. Second, muscle construction mechanism. So the muscle contraction mechanism is muscle contraction occurs through the process called the sliding filaments theory. To the neurotransmitter to the release. When a nervous impulse reaches muscle, it triggers neurotransmitter acetylcholine to the neuromuscular junction. Calcium ion release. The impulse spread through the muscle fibers, causing calcium ions to the Ca2 plus. That's to be released from the reticulum. To action myosin interaction, calcium to the ions bind to the troponin. It is on the acting for the myosin heads. To the myosin then attached to action, forming cross bridge and use energy. To the ATP to pull acting filaments toward the center of the sarcomere, causing contraction. To the relaxation. To the after the nervous impulse cases calcium ions the into stages and the muscle relaxes. To the third point, function of the muscular system. To the muscular system is crucial of numerous body function, including to the movement. Muscles work in conjunction with the skeletal system to produce movement. To the from gross motion like walking and running to fine motor skills like to the writing or playing instrument. To the posture and stability. To the skeletal muscles help maintain to the posture and stability the body. To the continuous muscle contraction such as the of the core to the muscle provide supports against gravity. To the heart production. To the heart production, muscle generate heat as a byproduct of the cellular metabolism. To the which help metabolism to the body temperature. This is particularly important during to the exposure to the cold. Circulation. To the cardiac muscle pumps blood through the heart and up to the blood vessels. To smooth vessels in the blood vessel walls help regulate blood flow and pressure. To the protection of drugs, protection of organ to the drug. Muscle also help protection internal organs by the observing shock stabilizing joints. To the structure like the heart and lungs. To the four muscle groups. To the muscle groups in the body can be grouped based on their location for function. To upper upper limb muscle, this includes muscle responsible for the movement of the arms such as the bicep, triceps and forearms muscle. To the lower limb muscle, this muscle are involved in movement and weight bearing and including the gluteus and calf muscles. To core muscles, this includes the abdominal muscle, abdominal in the muscle of the back that support trunk and health mention breathing and movement. That's about the muscular system. Thank you.